Sean with C Designs Woodworking, coming to you with a little tip and trick that you could use to get this insert into this piece of wood. This insert's for these casters. You run it up in there once it's in the wood and it secures the caster to the bottom of a cart or something like that. So you pre-drill your hole, but then you have this insert, and well, your Allen key or hex head doesn't fit. It's not big enough. Maybe you don't have one big enough. So what you do, break out your trusty odds and ends bowl of nuts and bolts that you've collected over the years, and you look through it. You find a bolt or that will have the same size hex head that fits in there, so it's nice and tight. Once you do that, you say, well, how am I going to screw it down in there? Okay, I don't have anything to connect it. Well, another thing you can do is you go and you find a nut that you can run down on to the bolt, and then you find your socket that will fit that nut up in there. Attach the insert. There you go. You're able to get this into the wood. So you start it, you get it started, run it down in there. Now taking this insert in and out a lot, so it's easy. And then you get your socket all set up and you start running it down in there. Like I said, taking this out in and out so much, it's really loose. So your wood's probably going to be really, really tight. You run it down in there, nice and tight. Inserts in there. And I didn't even have the right Allen key. Well, you say, well, that's all fine, but can I use a drill? You sure can. Just insert the threads into your chuck, tighten it up good and tight, back it out, or put on low speed, go real slow to insert it. This would probably be a better option to get it in there so you don't strip it out. You don't want to strip out the wood. Caster's not going to stay in there. So, a little tip and trick to try and help you out when you're trying to get these inserts in and maybe you don't have the right size Allen key. Take it or leave it.